A group of adults in their 70s got 31% stronger in just 4 weeks. They never set foot in a gym. They never touched a single weight. And here's the strangest part, they barely broke a sweat. What they did instead was so small it hardly felt like exercise at all. But they did it twice a day. And that one detail, that they did it twice, changed everything. Scientists have a name for this. I'm going to give it a simpler one, the do it twice trick. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use it. The 5 little movements, the timing, and the one mistake that quietly steals the strength from your legs after 50. Stick with me, because this might be the easiest thing you ever do for your body that actually works. Welcome back. Let me start with something uncomfortable, but you need to hear it. After the age of 50, your body begins losing muscle whether you like it or not. Not slowly. Every single year, you can lose 1 to 2% of your muscle mass, and your strength can fade even faster than that. And it doesn't come for all of you equally. It comes for your legs first. Think about what that means. Your legs are what get you off the couch, out of the car, up the stairs, off the floor if you fall. When leg strength fades, it doesn't announce itself. It's quiet. One day the stairs feel a little harder. Getting up from a low chair takes a small push off the armrest. You don't notice the moment it starts. Here's why this matters so much. Weak legs are one of the biggest reasons older adults lose their independence. It's not the heart. It's not the memory at first. It's the legs. The ability to stand up on your own is the quiet foundation of your whole life. So the real question isn't whether you'll lose leg strength. It's whether you're going to do the one simple thing that stops it. And most people don't, because of a mistake I'm about to show you. Here's what usually happens. Someone realizes they're getting weaker, so they decide to fix it. They sign up for a gym, or they plan a big 45-minute workout 3 days a week. They go hard for a week, maybe 2, and then life happens. It's too much. It's boring. It hurts a little. It takes too long, and they quit. This is the trap. We've been taught that exercise only counts if it's long, hard, and sweaty. So we set a bar so high that we can't keep it. And a workout you don't do builds exactly 0 muscle. Now here's the twist that changes everything. And it's what those adults in their 70s proved. You do not need the long, hard, sweaty workout to keep your legs strong. In fact, for staying consistent, it may be the worst possible approach. What works better is almost embarrassingly small, and it hides inside your normal day. Researchers call it exercise snacking. Instead of one big meal of exercise, you take tiny snacks of it. A couple of minutes here, a couple of minutes there. And the golden rule, the part that makes it work, you do it twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. That's it. That's the trick. In a study published in the Journal of Aging Research, healthy older adults did exactly this. 2 short sessions a day at home with no equipment at all for just 4 weeks, not months. 4 weeks. The results were remarkable. Their score on a sit-to-stand test, how many times they could stand up from a chair in 60 seconds, jumped by 31%. Their leg pressing power went up. Their thigh muscle actually grew. And the group that did nothing different? No change at all. But here's the number I love most. Their adherence, how well they stuck to it, was 98%. Almost nobody quit. Compare that to a gym, where most people are gone within weeks. Why does splitting it in 2 work so well? 2 reasons. First, muscle responds to how often you challenge it, not just how hard. So hitting your legs twice a day sends the stay strong signal more frequently. And second, and maybe more important, it's so easy and so quick that you actually do it. Consistency is the secret ingredient. And twice a day, 2 minutes, is a promise you can actually keep. So what are the movements? Let me give them to you now. These are the 5 the researchers used. All of them use just your body weight and a sturdy chair. You'll do each one for about a minute, aiming for as many good, controlled reps as you comfortably can. No rushing, no straining. 1. The sit to stand. Sit toward the front of a sturdy chair, feet flat. Stand all the way up, then lower back down with control. Up and down. This is the king of leg exercises. It trains the exact muscles you use to get out of any chair for the rest of your life. 2. Seated knee extensions. Stay seated, sitting tall. Straighten one leg out in front of you until it's nearly straight. Hold for a beat, lower it, then switch legs. Slow and smooth. This strengthens the front of your thighs, your knee's best friend. 3. Standing knee bends. Stand behind your chair, holding it for balance. Bend one knee, bringing your heel up behind you toward your backside, then lower. Alternate legs. This works the back of your thighs, the hamstrings, that stabilize your knees. 4. Marching in place. Still holding your chair if you need to. March on the spot, lifting each knee up in front of you. Left, right, left, right. This wakes up your hips and improves the balance that helps prevent falls. 5. Calf raises. Holding the chair, rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as you comfortably can, then lower slowly. Your calves quietly power every step you take. 5 moves. Body weight only, a chair for support. That's the entire program. Here's how you put it together, and it could not be simpler. Pick 2 anchor moments in your day, moments you never skip. Maybe right after you brush your teeth in the morning and again before dinner in the evening. Attaching it to something you already do is the trick to never forgetting. At each session, run through the 5 movements, about a minute each, as many controlled reps as you comfortably can. The whole thing takes 5, maybe 10 minutes. Then you're done, until the evening, when you do it once more. That's the do it twice, morning and evening. Small enough that you have no excuse. Frequent enough that your legs get the message. And be patient with the mirror. Muscle takes a few weeks to answer. But somewhere around that 3 to 4 week mark, like the people in the study, you may notice the stairs feeling easier, standing up feeling smoother. That's your legs coming back. Before you start, a few honest rules. Check with your doctor first, especially if you have a heart condition, balance problems, a joint issue, or you've had a fall. Always keep a sturdy, non-rolling chair within reach for balance. Move slowly and with control. This is never about speed or straining. A little muscle effort is good. Sharp pain, dizziness, or chest discomfort means stop and rest, and check with a professional. Start with fewer reps than you think you need. You can always build up. So let's bring it home. The strength in your legs is the strength to live on your own terms, to travel, to play with grandkids, to get up whenever you please without a second thought. And the science is clear and kind. You don't need a gym, you don't need weights, and you don't need to suffer to protect it. You just need 5 small movements, a chair, and the willingness to do it twice. That's the whole secret. Not harder, just twice. If this was helpful, share it with someone whose legs you'd like to keep strong for a long, long time. A parent, a partner, a friend. And for more simple, science-backed ways to stay strong and independent as you age, everything's waiting in the playlist. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.